Hi there, it's me, Rebecca. As always, me and my monster mate Murphy have got some amazing new arty ideas to share with you. And all you'll need to do is raid the recycling to find the best boxes, tubes and bottles to reuse. Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a paper plate octopus. For this monster make, we'll need coloured card, a paper plate, paint and stickers. Take the paper plate and paint it blue.
But you can paint yours any colour you like.
Now while the paint dries, we'll make some wiggly octopus arms. We need 8 of them.
Wiggly wiggly!
Next, we have to carefully cut out the shapes. Murphy, can we use some of your monster magic, please?
Absolutely! Here it comes!
If you don't have monster magic, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Now fold the dry paper plate in half. And then glue the wiggly legs inside. Let's add stickers for decoration.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
And some more for eyes. Finally, draw on a smile. There we have it! A paper plate octopus, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!